I don't want to miss this TV program. It's one of my favorites.
I understand your excitement, but let's consider your priorities.
I know, but it's a special episode, and I've been looking forward to it.
I get it, special episodes are exciting. But remember, you need your rest.
I'll make sure to finish the episode before heading to bed.
That sounds like a good plan. And avoid any stimulating content afterward.
You're right, late night screens can disrupt sleep. I'll read a book instead.
That's a great idea. A book can help you unwind.
And it's essential that I'm well rested for tomorrow.
Absolutely, especially if you're planning to read a bedtime story to our daughter.
I cherish those moments with her. It's our special time.
I can tell you're a great parent. So, what's the program about?
It's a mystery series, and I love solving the cases with the characters.
Sounds fascinating. I can see why you don't want to miss it.
But I also want to set a good example for our daughter.
Finding the right balance between personal time and family time is important.
I agree. It's not always easy, but I'll do my best.
That's all anyone can ask for. Your efforts matter.
Thanks for understanding and for the advice.
No problem. Enjoy your show, read a good book, and have a peaceful night's sleep.
I appreciate your support. It means a lot.
You're welcome. Take care and good night.
I've been trying to find a good balance between my personal time and family time.
It's a common challenge, especially with our busy schedules.
Exactly. I want to enjoy my favorite TV show, but I also want to be well rested.
It's great that you're mindful of your well-being.
I also don't want to compromise the time I spend with our daughter.
That's wonderful. Our daughter is lucky to have you.
I believe these little moments with her are precious.
They truly are. Special memories are made in these everyday routines.
She enjoys the bedtime stories, and I do too.
Reading together is a beautiful bonding experience.
I just need to figure out how to watch my show without affecting my sleep.
Perhaps you could watch it a bit earlier, so you have time to wind down.
That's a good suggestion. I'll try to manage my time more effectively.
Small changes can make a big difference.
I value your advice. It's nice to have someone to talk to about these things.
I'm always here to listen and offer support.
Thanks, you're a great husband.
You're a fantastic wife and parent. You've got this.
I'm starting to see a way to make it work.
That's the spirit. Finding solutions is the first step.
I'll create a schedule that accommodates everything.
A well-organized schedule can work wonders.
And with discipline, I can stick to it.
Absolutely, discipline is key to managing your time effectively.
I'm feeling more confident now.
I knew you'd figure it out. Just remember to prioritize your well-being.
Thanks for being a sounding board. It helped me clarify my thoughts.
Anytime. You've got a great plan now. Enjoy your show, read a book, and rest well.
I will. Thanks again, and have a good night.
You too. Sweet dreams and a wonderful time with our daughter tomorrow.
That's all today's content. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. Good luck on your English language learning journey.